Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting right at the home screen so you can remove the widget immediately. Once edit mode appears after a long press, you'll see widgets and icons rearrange. That visual feedback matters. Make sure you're on the page with the weather widget and tap it once to select. This exposes the remove or trash icon. You do this because removing the widget stops on-screen updates and frees that space. Proceed to the visible remove control to delete it from the home screen now. Once the widget is selected, drag it to the remove or delete zone shown on screen. This is the fastest path and preserves the app. If you don't see a remove target, tap the widget's 3 dots or open home screen settings to manage widgets directly. Make sure to consider disabling the weather app if you want it gone entirely. Go to Settings, Apps, find the weather app, and choose Disable or Force Stop. This stops background updates and prevents automatic widget recreation. You've removed or disabled the widget. Now finalize by restarting the device so the launcher clears its cache and any ghost icons disappear. If the weather widget keeps returning, make sure to revoke location or background permissions for the weather app because some launchers auto-add frequently used widgets. Finally, check home screen settings for suggestions or automatic widgets and turn that off. This prevents re-adding. If problems persist, clear the home launcher, cache and apps to force a clean state, and then reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.